Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can create your own portfolio on TradingView account. If you have created your TradingView account and you want to create your portfolio in order to test your crypto or any coins up or down on its performance, you can create your portfolio on TradingView. So for that, just open your TradingView account and click on this product. And here you will see the option called portfolios. Just click on this portfolios. Now it will give you an option to create your portfolio. Now here you can see there are multiple options. You can import file from other accounts if you have already. You can simply just create manually. Just click on this create manually. Just give the name to your portfolio. That's all. I will give the name my coins performance. You can give any name. You can select any currency. That's why you select USDT. Here you can benchmark. You can select Bitcoin as your USD Bitcoin as your benchmark. Now, if you want to write anything, you can write here and just click on create. Now, when you click on create, here you can see your portfolio has been created. Now you just have to add coins in your portfolio. That's all. If you have 10 dots, 10 other coins, you just have to add that coin. Just click on this add transaction. Just click on this buy. That was a select as any coin. That's all. I will select Bitcoin. So the ground price is this. How much quantity do you have? That's what I have to. Let's click on this, save. And here you will see my portfolio will be changed. Now here you can see I have 2 Bitcoins in my portfolio. Now you can track them when it's going up or down. So here you can add more coins in your portfolio if you have. Here you can see this is all the portfolio that you have. Now to add more coins, just click on this add transaction and add another coins. So this is the way how you can create your own portfolio on TradingView account and track your coins performance. Thank you for watching.